Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. I am your Ravi sir. In this video, you are going to watch English grammar for all exams. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button to watch more and more videos when I upload new videos of important topics. Let us watch it now. In this video, you are going to study what is grammar and what is subject, what is predicate, types of sentence, change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. These five important things you are going to watch. Let us begin with what is grammar. Grammar is the study of words, how they are used in sentences, and how they change in different situations. The study of sentence structure, rules, and examples show how the language should be used. In other words, grammar is a set of structural rules that governs the composition of clauses, phrases, and words in any given natural language. Sentence. What is sentence? A combination of words which gives a complete meaning is called a sentence. There are various types of sentence depending upon its structure and function. It contains a subject and a predicate and is able to stand on its own. Now, what is subject? The subject is the word or group of words that tell as to what or whom we are talking about. What is predicate? The predicate is the part of the sentence. This is very important. What is predicate? The predicate is the part of the sentence or clause containing a verb that makes a statement about the subject as to what the subject is doing or something concerning the subject. So this is how what is subject and what is predicate you can understand with these examples of subject and predicate. He has a car. Here he is a subject, has a car predicate. The jug was broken. The jug subject was broken predicate. The girls are singing. The girls subject are singing predicate. The above sentences express a complete thought, hence they are called complete sentences. In many sentences, the subjects may comprise just a single word, but more often the subject consists of two or more words. Basic sentence pattern. A sentence must have the below given features. A subject about what or whom we are talking about. It is called a subject. Verb. A verb means tells what the subject is or is doing, and it must stand alone or can make sense on its own. He called. This is a sentence and it stands alone. In this sentence, he is the subject, called is the verb. This is subject verb pattern. He called subject, he called verb. Let us see other things. The following which are given not sentences even though each has subject and verb. Because he called, when he called, he calling. So such type of sentences are called fragment sentences. I repeat that the following which are given not sentences even though each has a subject and verb. Because he called, when he called, he calling. These do not stand alone. Of course, most sentences we speak or write in our daily life have more than just a subject and verb. But to be complete, a sentence must have at least a subject and a verb and be able to stand alone. Sentences that are incomplete are called sentence fragments or fragment sentences or just fragment. The above examples are called fragment sentences. Those are because he called, when he called, he calling. Such type of sentences are called as fragment sentences. Let us move on to next one. Read the following examples carefully. Sentence pattern. How the sentence pattern is: subject plus verb. They worked. They subject, worked verb. The cat jumped. The cat subject, verb jumped. Another subject, another sentence pattern: subject plus verb, direct object. Varshini wrote a letter. Varshini subject, wrote a letter, verb, direct object. Samarth narrated the story. Samarth is subject, narrated the story, verb, direct object. Subject plus verb plus subject complement pattern. This judgment seemed fair. Subject the judgment seemed verb, fair subject complement. Our house was large and fairy. Our house subject was verb, large and fairy subject complement. She looked good. She subject, looked verb, good subject complement. Subject plus verb plus direct object plus object complement. He named his son Amit. Subject he, named verb, his son direct object, Amit object complement. Kavita called Neha a genius. Here Kavita is subject, called verb, Neha direct object, a genius object complement. Another sentence pattern: subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Suhana gave Sarala the flowers. Types of sentence. On the basis of function, there are four types of sentences. Those are: number one, assertive or affirmative or declarative sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. Fourth one, exclamatory sentence. And one more types of sentences you can study on the basis of structure. In that, it contained simple sentence, complex sentence, compound and complex sentence. You can watch in another video. Let us see these. First one, assertive or affirmative or declarative sentence. What is assertive or affirmative or declarative sentence? A sentence that makes a statement or asserts something is called assertive or declarative sentence. I repeat that: a sentence that makes a statement or asserts something is called assertive or declarative sentence. Such sentences are simple statements. They state, assert, or declare something. These sentences are also called as simple sentences. For examples: 1. The train is late today. Second one, I take a ball. Third one, children are playing. Fourth one, she likes apple. Let us move on to next sentence. Interrogative second sentence. What is interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentences often begin with interrogative words like who, when, where, why, what, and how. Examples: where is my pen? Second example: where do you live? Interrogative sentences without question words are generally formed by moving the helping verb before the subject. Easy writing a letter. Are you reading a book? These type of sentences are called as yes or no questions. A question fragment can be added on to the end of a declarative or imperative sentence. This fragment is called a tag or tail question. For examples, he was going to market, wasn't he? After a declarative sentence. Close the window, will you? After an imperative sentence. You all know that is question tags. Interrogative sentences. I think you are very familiar with that tag questions or question tags. It was also called as tail question. Let us move on to next one. A question fragment can also be used by itself either before or after a sentence. What? He has done it. Second example, they are coming. Why? So, in this way, interrogative sentence we can study. And the next one is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command, makes a request, or expresses a wish. For examples, get out from the house. An order. Please give me your pen. Request. Wish you happy birthday. For wish. Watch out for command. Sometimes the subject you of an imperative sentence is unexpressed but understood. For examples, stand up, get out. Here, you is unexpressed but understood. Imperative sentences may be written like a question but they aren't asking anything. Will you please mind your business? And the last one is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness, or gratitude are exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences can begin with question words. Here you can watch exclamatory to assertive sentence. How you are going to change from exclamatory to assertive sentence, you can study with these examples. 1. How horrible the animal is. It is an exclamatory sentence. It was changed to assertive sentence like this type. The animal is very horrible. Second one, what a nice place it is. Exclamatory sentence. It is a very nice place. This is assertive sentence. Third one, what a beautiful flower the rose is. Exclamatory sentence. It was changed to assertive sentence like this type. The rose is very beautiful flower. Fourth one, what an intelligent boy he is. Exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence is like this type. He is a very intelligent boy. Types of sentence on the basis of structure. simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. You can study these in my next video. I hope you liked this and learned in detail. If you want to watch other parts of the English grammar, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button.